Well, folks, northbound CSX. Cedar, Tennessee on the Harrison sub. All these bugs are landing on me. It's getting really annoying. Been sitting here for like 40 minutes. It's a nice Volkswagen. Big old sneeze there. All these bugs around me. Alright. Got an intermodal. Good one. Got an open container there. Again. Here she goes. 40 minutes wait there. Got the maintenance way equipment over there. It's on right now. I heard someone sneeze in the beginning. It was like super loud. Not sure if y'all heard it, but I did. Got the maintenance way equipment over there on right now. Not sure if y'all can see the little light flashing with the guy on. CSX truck right there. Not bad for a 40-minute wait. Decent one. But yeah, well folks, stay safe, guys.